this thing on? Oh, hey! Hi everyone, this is Joel Swoon and Swagger. I know it's been several months that I've been gone from this channel, but I previously had a daytime commitment that I could not get out of, and so I couldn't create content. But now I'm back to what I love doing, and that is teaching photography and showing tips and tricks in the world of photography. So now I'm back to creating videos and content for this channel. So this is just a little bit a quick announcement that I'm back to creating videos for the channel, and I just want to thank everybody for supporting me. I know this is a tiny channel compared to other photography sites, but I just want to thank each and every one of you for sticking around. And I promise I have lots of ideas that I want to share, lots of tips and tricks, and all the years that I've done weddings and portrait photography I'm gonna share with every one of you. Of course, I'm gonna be doing reviews. I have a couple of new editing techniques and tools that I want to go over. I want to share with everyone, and of course, if you have any questions or comments, write down in the description below. But I just want to thank each and every one of you for sticking around and watching my channel, because I really do appreciate that. And if you know anyone that may want to learn a thing or two about photography, regardless of what your skill level is, whether you're just starting or you've been at it for a year or two, or you're a seasoned professional, I really do want to thank you and appreciate you guys for supporting me. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button here or there, and then you may also want to hit the notification, the little bell, that you are notified whenever a new video is uploaded. And so again, thank you so much to everyone for supporting me in my channel. So as I say, peace! I'll see you later in the next video.